So here's up guys, Harshan and back with another video. So as you guys know, I'm always on the hunt for the next cool gadget. A gadget which can solve your problem, or a gadget which can be an alternative to another gadget which is sold in the market at a much higher product. So today we are checking out this thing. These are the wireless headphones. So these are from the company called Soundpeak. So the company claims that these are the only headphones available in India after AirPods which do not have a wire connecting, both the earpieces. So they are completely wireless. So as you guys know, Apple released its AirPods with its iPhone 7, I guess in January, and the price was very much high. They goes for $169. That's around 15,000 Indian rupees. 15,000 rupees for an earphones. That's way lot of money. Not everyone buy that. So you can buy this thing. This thing goes for 3,500 rupees, and I don't think that it's very high cost. One product you are getting for 16,000 rupees, and the other you are getting for 3,500 rupees. Although AirPods are made for Apple and they are one of a kind, but they still have a lot of demerits. They are just earpods like this. If you have this thing right in your ear, it also look very weird, and someone can just walk by and take it off and you won't be able to do anything about it. The other problem is that you might drop them somewhere in a public station. I have seen many of the videos on the internet in which the people said that they have lost their earpod and they are only left with one earpod. So I don't think that these are worth buying for $169. So let us quickly unbox this thing and test it. So if you want to buy this product, I have the links down in the description. Now let me just quickly unbox it. As you can see, it comes in a very sturdy box. Alright, so in this we have this carry case. I guess all of the accessories and the earphones are inside this thing. And the user manual. Alright, so it's really, and most of us do not prefer to read the user manual. Even I throw the user manuals away every time, but this time I'm gonna keep it. I'll let you know why in just a minute. Let me just put this thing aside. Now here are the earphones, as you can see. Let me just quickly take it off. Alright, so these are the two earphones. A couple of ear tips because every ear is not designed same. And then a USB cable, I think is just for charging, and that's it. This is the case. Let me just quickly show you the USB cable. The USB cable is kind of different. It has USB port on one side and two micro USB ports on the other. So this means that you can charge both of them separately. Alright guys, so as you can see, these come with this hook. So these guys are not going anywhere. Yeah, as you can see, it's completely sturdy. These guys are going nowhere. So now what do we do? Wait, let me just read the manual. Alright, to pair the Bluetooth headset with your device, please turn off the other Bluetooth devices nearby. Alright, and make sure the Bluetooth headset are within 3 feet of your mobile. Alright, start with the headset turned off and turn on any one of them by holding the MF button. This is the middle button. Alright, so let me just check it. As you can see, a blue light is appearing. Hold this for 8 to 9 seconds until the LED flashes red and blue. Alright, so as you can see, I think it's in pairing mode now. I'll just take my iPhone and connect it. Alright, so Q16. Boom. So as you can see, the device has been connected. This is the Q16 and it has been connected. Once connected, the blue LED will blink slowly and turn on the other earphone and it will collect automatically. Alright, so I think I just need to turn it on. Boom, there you go. So as you can see, both devices are turned on right now and they are blinking. So this means that they are connected and we are good to go. Alright guys, so let me just place it inside my ears and listen to some music. Yeah. I like the hook with them. So this means that they are not going anywhere. Yeah, they are very sturdy. So let me just listen to some music. Alright guys, so I think the sound quality is just okay. They are not giving a lot of bass. The only thing is that they are wireless. No one would expect this sound in 3,500 rupees headphone. You can only hear the treble, not the bass. It has a lot of treble, as you can see. Wait, let me just show you. So overall, no bass. The audio quality is not that good. I was not expecting this thing from Soundpeats. So the only good thing is that they are completely wireless. No wire is connecting them. No wire is even connecting these two earphones. So I don't think that these things are value for money, as they are not giving a pretty good sound. You can hear the sound, but the bass quality is zero. It's pathetic. You can only hear the treble. You can only hear the vocals. It's not worth buying these two earphones for 3500 rupees. You can get a lot of better earphones in the market which are wired in 3000 to 4000 rupees, I guess. So these are not good in my opinion. So see ya guys, that was pretty much it for this video. If you guys made it till the end, please drop a like to this video. I'm your boy Harsh, showing you these wireless earphones. I'll see you soon. Till then, peace.